In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search function to your website in WordPress, all in just 5 minutes. Adding a search bar can be a fantastic way to enhance user experience on your site, making it easier for visitors to navigate and find the content they're interested in. So let's get started and make this process quick and easy. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. If you haven't already, open your browser and go to the WordPress homepage. This is where all the magic will happen. Once you're there, you'll see a couple of options, but our focus will be on getting to your dashboard. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, allowing you to access your WordPress account. To speed things up, you can continue by clicking on Continue with Google. This is a seamless way to log in, especially if you're someone who tends to forget passwords often. After choosing that option, you will be prompted to select your Google account. Make sure to pick the one associated with your WordPress site. Once you've chosen your account, you should be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're on the WordPress dashboard, look over to the right panel under Quick Links to find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on this to proceed to the site editor. The site editor is where you'll make all the necessary changes to your web page. Next, focus your attention on the top left corner of your screen. You'll want to find and click on the Add button. This button is your gateway to inserting new elements onto your site. Once you click on it, a plethora of options will become available, allowing you to enrich your site with various types of content blocks. In the search field that appears, type in Search. This will filter through the available blocks and bring up the search function that we want to add to your site. Clicking on the Search option will insert a search block onto your web page. The beauty of WordPress is its flexibility and ease of use, and by now you've successfully added a search function to your site. This allows your visitors to navigate with ease, searching for topics, posts, or pages with just a few keystrokes. So, there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've enhanced the functionality of your site and made it a lot more user-friendly. Remember, the key to a successful website is providing an excellent user experience, and by adding a search bar, you're already on the right track. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.